Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. So let's learn how to play some rockabilly rhythm guitar. It's one of my favorite genres of all time. It's just super fun and happy and amazing. And that's a pretty fast-paced version, but I'm going to show you the basics really quickly here, and you'll be able to rock it in no time. So whether you're behind somebody else who's playing a solo, or you're going to lay down a track on your looper and then solo on top of it, give it a shot. It's a lot of fun. So for this one, we begin here in E major. E major, and I'm really doing the basic blues, but with this sort of shuffle rhythm. So you got the open E string and the first finger on the second fret of the A string, and you go. And then put this finger on the fourth fret of that A string with that open E string. So that's the basics of blues. I've got a whole video on the blues, but when you give it that swing rhythm, like dun 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 dun, you know that? So going second, fourth of that A string. Add some palm muting and give it, some little strum outs every once in a while. Sounds amazing. Then you just move strings. You go to the A string, open A string, and then the second fret of the D, and the fourth fret of the D, back to the second fret of the D, and you put your thumb right here just very lightly, just to sort of mute that string. I'm literally muting that string just so I can really dig in. Like that. So after you go like this. Right back down. Like that. Now, when I went to the chords, I did a chord, I go. You saw that after I went from A and back down to E, I went to an E major chord. So I'm doing an E major, hitting the low notes to the high notes, and then I'm adding this finger on the second fret of the B string, like that. So go. And then take it off. And if you want, you can remove this finger and go. That's really cool. Open G string, hammered on the first of that E major chord. So go. And now go to a B major. And you can play a B major way up here on the 7th fret as a bar chord or with your thumb, or you could do this. But the B major sounds cool as you get in these high notes. And you add that pinky right there on the 9th fret of the B. And you're really doing that same thing we just did here in the E major, but it's up here, like this. Let's see, hold on, I gotta get my rhythm right, guys. Yep, back to E major, and then I did this, it's like a D major, but up 2 frets. So a D major up 2 frets, you're basically playing part of an E chord. Then I went to an A major, right there, and I did that same thing, but this is a sort of like a 7th position. So, like that. So you're on the 9th fret of the G string, 8th fret of the B string, and 9th fret of the E string. So really what you're doing is you're going, that's part of the E major, then you go to A major, and then to this. That's like an A7th thing. And then you back to the E major, B7th. B7th is the 2nd fret of that A string, 1st fret of the D string, and 2nd fret of the G string. Don't hit the low note, and back to E major. And then I went to that same 7th position that we just did, B7th, and go up 1 fret to like a C7th, and back down to the B. So all together, guys. Very cool. And then at the end, I went like this. Sorry. just a variation on the blue, on this blues. You're still in that same original blues position. You're hitting the open E string to the 3rd fret and hammer onto the 4th fret, or you can skip that 3rd and just go like that, but I go. So you're going open E, 3rd fret, hammer onto the 4th fret of that E string. You've already got your finger right here on the 2nd fret of the A string. Now the 4th fret of that A string, and because you got your finger here, just keep it on the 2nd fret of the D string and back down to the 4th, back down to the 2nd fret of the A string, 4th of the E, 2nd fret of the A. So. Or you can go 3rd and hammer on. And if you do it fast, like that. Then you do it again on the A string. You're doing really take everything you just did and just move it up a few strings. But this one you got to go right back to the E string. Then go back to the E major, and you're ready to rock. Okay, that's a crazy fast rockabilly lesson, but those are really the basics. And if you take it really slow and work your way up in speed, you'll do great. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you next time for some more super fast, fun lessons. See ya.